Common dog violet, Viola Riviniana, is a hardy perennial that blooms from spring to early summer. It is a common wildflower found in meadows, woodland edges, and along hedgerows. This lovely violet produces beautiful purple-blue flowers that are edible and can be used in a variety of culinary dishes. If you're looking to add this charming plant to your garden, here's a guide on how to grow and care for common dog violet. Growing common dog violet. 1. Choose the right location. Common dog violet prefers partial shade to full shade, making it ideal for planting in woodland gardens or in areas where there is filtered sunlight. It can tolerate a variety of soils but prefers moist, well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. 2. Soil preparation. Before planting, amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to ensure that the plant gets the nutrients it needs to thrive. Common dog violet can tolerate a wide range of soil conditions, but it prefers slightly acidic soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. 3. Planting. Common dog violet can be planted in the spring or fall. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the plant's root ball and place the plant in the hole, filling it with soil. Water well after planting. 4. Mulching. Mulching around the plant will help to retain moisture in the soil, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weed growth. A layer of organic mulch, such as shredded leaves or bark, should be applied around the plant. Caring for common dog violet. 1. Watering. Common dog violet prefers consistently moist soil. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot and dry weather. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can encourage disease. 2. Fertilizing. Common dog violet does not require heavy fertilization, but a light feeding in the spring can help to promote growth and flowering. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Deadheading. Removing spent flowers can encourage the plant to produce more blooms. Cut off the spent flower stem just above the first set of leaves. 4. Dividing. Common dog violet can become crowded over time, which can impact its growth and flowering. Divide the plant every 3 to 4 years in the fall, after it has finished flowering. Dig up the entire plant, divide it into smaller sections, and replant each section. 5. Pest and disease control. Common dog violet is generally free from pests and diseases, but can occasionally be affected by aphids, slugs, or powdery mildew. Use an insecticidal soap or slug bait to control pests, and treat powdery mildew with a fungicide. Common dog violet is a lovely addition to any garden, bringing a touch of charm and beauty with its delicate flowers. By providing the right growing conditions and following proper care techniques, you can enjoy this beautiful plant in your garden for years to come.